Hi, everybody. Welcome to another week of online learning. I wanted to talk through what your week is going to look like so that hopefully everybody understands what is going on in the Google Classroom for biology or honors biology this week. So, for your first day of biology, you're going to be watching a short video on a process called non-disjunction. That is a process where chromosomes fail to separate correctly during the process of meiosis, and it is the process that's responsible for chromosomal genetic disorders. And some of you are choosing to do a chromosomal genetic disorder for your genetic disorders project. So I think that's the only one we haven't touched on yet in regards to genetic disorders. Then after that, you're going to be watching a little bit longer of a video that goes through a lot of the material from section 3, which is called Manipulating DNA. This is a tougher section to teach. I was debating whether or not we should go through it, but when I found the video, I thought this explains and actually does some of the activities that I would do in class. Now, I do apologize for the video a little bit because it's a little bit older. The acting is not great, but the information is wonderful. So bear with the video as you're doing the Edpuzzle because it is going to teach you the different techniques that they use to manipulate DNA. So get that done. Then the second day of biology is a little bit of a lighter day. I do have a study guide posted because we're actually ready to take the Chapter 14 test. That will be next week, Monday or Tuesday, depending on whether or not you have biology that day. The study guide is always optional, so you don't have to turn it in, but it helps you to get ready for the test. What I want you to spend most of your time doing on your second day of biology is finishing up your human genetic disorders project with your partner, because that is due on Friday. When you go to submit your human genetic disorders presentation, only one of the two of you need to submit it to Google Classroom. And I believe the submission is going to be up with last week, where I posted it for the first time. So go up to one of the days from last week to find where you should submit your human genetic disorders project. Also, make sure you have looked at the rubric and have included all the necessary things that you need to for the rubric. And I am excited to look those over and see what you learned about a human genetic disorder. And I'm hopefully going to figure out a way between now and next week as to how maybe your classmates can view your presentations and learn from the research that you did. So that's what we're doing this week. We are wrapping up Chapter 14, Human Genetic Disorders. I hope everyone is doing well, enjoying the beautiful weather that we are having, and I will talk to you again next week. As always, please reach out if you have any questions during my office hour, 10 to 11, or through email, and I would love to help you. Take care, guys. Miss you. Bye.